So maybe I might just search for a 9 to 5. If I survive, then maybe I'll stay alive. So I walked up the street with
This is the stage. If you was here, you was definitely somebody.
But without money, it's still a wish. Because I don't like to dream about getting paid, so I dig into the books of the rhymes that I made. Do not see if I got pulled.
And I was there.
Malignant narcissism. While it's not a formal diagnosis, it refers to a specific, less common manifestation of narcissistic personality disorder. It combines the characteristics of narcissistic personality disorder, antisocial personality disorder, aggression, sadism, and paranoia. People with this disorder usually don't see anything wrong with their actions and or behaviors. This is Community Activate Mental Cinemas. This episode goes out to Sister G from Concourse Village. Welcome. In this series, I'm attempting to match fictional characters with very real mental conditions. The mission is not to exploit the afflicted, but to bring a level of awareness, understanding, and compassion, and to open the conversation on Black mental wellness in our communities. In this episode, I'm talking about The Malignant Narcissist. The film is the 2002 film Paid in Full, and the character is Cameron's character, Rico.
What's poppin', Kermit?
Here are 5 signs Rico was a malignant narcissist. He had a significant need for attention.
Hey, yo, man. You really don't have to be out here like broadcasting all taking your pictures, putting your guns in the air, man. You drawn too much attention.
That's what I do, man.
Your boy Rico was a wild dude. Here, we have him in the middle of a packed club in Harlem with his sex tape on. And he's giving a play-by-play for everyone around. And the homie Ace is trying to tell him, like, keep it low. But Rico's not trying to hear it. He's walking around popping bottles and causing a scene. But that is kind of a slick silk robe he got on there. He was hostile and aggressive.
I keep telling you things, man.
You always telling me, man. What's the use of having soldiers if you can't use them? That's why I'm Rico. That's why I do what I do, man.
Look at this guy's Ace face. Look, Rico always tried to find a reason to pop off. And right here, what he says is, what's the sense of having an army if you can't use them? So he's always trying to find reasons to go to war to use his army and his guns. Although in this case, he was kind of right about Calvin being a snake. He enjoyed humiliating people in public.
You bugging, man. That type of shit funny. You took the whole cake and mushed it in his face.
Whole cake.
What's up with this nigga, man?
That's love right there, man.
Doing that, B? I'm sick fucking they party up like that. I know his girl was there.
Yeah, listen.
Wow. So, you at your man's birthday party, and some dude comes up, picks up the whole cake, and just smashes it in his face in front of his girl and everybody. That's crazy. And then he's talking about, I showed him mad love. I wonder if somebody did that to him, if he would think that was showing him mad love. Nah, I don't think so. He was wild reckless.
You ain't eating. What you mean you ain't eating? You ain't making this paper, man? Everybody eats, B. Me and
Turn around now. Move up. Stay still, mother.
Yeah, this right here was pretty reckless. He just shot the dude in the rear in broad daylight in Harlem, and he didn't have a mask on, and afterwards he just had the casual conversation with the gun out, still smoking, like he got a badge and a license to carry. And old boy won't be sitting straight for a while. He was deceitful.
Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Good looking, baby, because I need your help, baby. I need you to help me sell these 14 keys so I can get this ransom money for Sonny, man.
You got 14 bricks right there?
Yeah.
Put you up, eh?
Yeah, man, but look, B. Once we get my little brother back, man, we right the fuck on, baby. We right on once I get Sonny. It's gonna be business.
Yo, check how Rico's whole demeanor changed as soon as Mitch mentioned those bricks. First he was like, yo, it's all love. Your brother's like my little brother. Let's go get him back. But then he mentioned those bricks. His whole demeanor changed. It's hard to believe he had any real love for Mitch from the beginning. It seemed like it was just an opportunity. Malignant narcissism can be the result of one's environment.
In lockup, brothers always heard what was going on the outside, especially when it involved money. And they knew Mitch was first in line to get put on when he got out.
We really don't have much about Rico's background, but we do hear him say things like, "This is who I am, this is why I do what I do, that's why I'm Rico." So we can gather that he's always been that way, and his environment reinforced it. Complications of malignant narcissism include some of the following: relationship difficulties, irritability, anger issues, and legal trouble. They say we stop looking for monsters under the bed when we realize they're inside of us. Y'all think Rico was a malignant narcissist? A man with an undiagnosed mental condition that became worse through his experiences in prison and the street life? Or do you think he was a greedy drug dealer like his Wikipedia fan page says? Let me know in the comments below. Diagnose Rico. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more like it. I'll be posting a new one every Sunday evening. And check out some of the older ones. Feedback is always welcome. Thanks for watching. This is Kino from Community Activate Mental Cinemas. Be well. The inspiration for Rico, Alberto Alpo Martinez, was gunned down in Harlem, October 31st, 2021. He was 55 years old.
Yum, yum.